Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to make your own hand sanitizer. With this virus going around, everybody is kind of freaking out, and it's really simple. It takes just a couple ingredients, and we'll go ahead now and get started. And what you're going to need is 91% alcohol, some aloe vera gel. You're going to need some bottles. If you want, you can add essential oil or colorant. That's optional. It's up to you. And I use a funnel to pour it into my bottle without spilling all over. So we're going to go ahead and start. I'm going to move this stuff to the side. And what you're going to do is get yourself some kind of a bowl or a cup or whatever you want to work in, and you're going to use 2 parts alcohol to 1 part aloe vera gel. So we're going to go ahead and open our alcohol. Okay. Okay, so we're going to pour careful. We're going to get this to 1 cup. Oh, it's splashing. Pretty close there. So we've got our alcohol in there. Put the cover on. And now I'm going to take my gel. I'm going to set it down here so I make sure I get the right amount. I guess I have a cup is going to take almost the whole tube. Take this and mix it in. You can use a spoon or a spatula or a whisk. I'm going to go ahead and try this spoon. I'm going to make some for the kids, and what I'll do is just use like a drop of mica in a little bit of alcohol, and then you could add a little bit of colorant to it for them. But we'll start with this one first. I might need to get a whisk. I have these bottles here, and I was wondering if you put a little, I have one in the house with a little pump spray, and I was going to go ahead and test it and see if it would come out or not. I have a little bit of purple mica in this container I had used to make some soap. So I think we'll just go ahead and just add a couple drops to give it a little bit of color. So I'm mixing a little bit of alcohol with the mica. We'll stir it up. We'll just put a couple drops. Just a little bit of shimmer. It's a really pale color. There we go. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our lavender. They say at this ratio to use about 10 drops. But my dropper's off. So I'm just going to add a little bit there. Go ahead and mix it up good. It's so easy to make yourself. The prices in the store have just gotten crazy on trying to buy the sanitizer. Well, actually, you can't buy the sanitizer, and the alcohol and aloe vera gel are getting really hard to be able to find. So then we're going to take our little bottle here. I don't want to overfill it. That one. So it's got a little bit of a tint to it, but not a whole lot. I'm not sure how much you get here. I think I'll get a little, maybe just these 2 bottles. A little bit more. I do believe these are 4-ounce bottles. Maybe these are 2. Maybe they're a little bit more than 4. But with the cup of alcohol and the half a cup of aloe vera gel, this is what I've got for these. So it's really easy to make. We're going to go ahead and make another one with sweet orange for the kids. It's a little blurry with my label there, but we got two bottles out of that batch. I have a little bottle here with the sprayer. It came in a kit for when you travel on the airplane. So we're going to go ahead and try and see if we can get it to spray. It doesn't seem like it's real thick, but let's test it out and find out. That to the side. So we've got it in this spray bottle. And so we'll see if it'll spray out for us. Yeah, it's just like a little mist. It just rubs in. I think I like the little mist bottle better. Okay, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.